Hello, I get one of my awesome videos, and today I'll be showing you what's inside of this thing. And yes, it's actually a radio. Isn't that cool? Can set all the stuff. Yeah. I don't not think it works. Hasn't been used for about 20 years. I got it from my uncle, so let's see what's inside. Oh. Anywho, let's try and get this off. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good so far.
Daniel,
Yeah.
włącz mój komputer.
Już, czekaj, ja robię video. I guess that's as far as we can get from where we are right now. We can get this off. And this is what I like. I really like these antennas. Goodness gracious, how big is this? Ah, I'm so stupid. There's a screw. Oh, nice screws. Throw that away. Ah, beautiful. I'm gonna use this like a beat stick for some. That is cool, bruh. Okay, oh, hello. Anyway, that's a pretty cool tire. I mean, it's actually rubber, so. This thing, I don't know. I keep checking to see if I'm still on camera. I can't see anything. Whoa. Look what was inside of the antenna. That screw is way too small to unscrew. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to do that. Hopefully we can get these off without having to change two screwdrivers. Yeah, we can. This is the EverFit screwdriver. Fits every side of screw. Okay, one mic. Screwless screws, guys. Never like screws. Anyway, speaking of stuff, I haven't been posting videos for like a year maybe now because just live because it's only been a week, but still it's a while. I don't have anything to take apart. Seriously, I have lots of time, but I have nothing to take apart. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Button. Now let's take this thing out. If we possibly can do it. We can do it. We did it. Okay. Anyway, this was a short video. Listen, I just had to take apart something because I knew you guys were like losing hope in me. I don't know. I guess that's it. Okay, anyway, we got this thing. Oh, yeah. Okay, well anyway, no, we'll keep this, put this stuff right here. And you know what was the highlight of our taking apart stuff? This thing, this beat stick. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.